What is going on, guys? Colin with Victory. Check out this 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. Black on black on black. I'm not gonna lie to you, wheels, aftermarket, there's a little damage there. Just shooting y'all straight. Just want to be as upfront and as transparent as I can. Now, coming up here to the back, of course, with this one being a Denali, you do get the remote start. And I think it's got power liftgate too. Heck yes, it does. Let's crack her on open, see what that looks like in the back there. Ooh, heck yeah. Of course, full third row in this one, carpeted floor mats. We've got our cargo liner there as far as our net. Ooh, jack and all those goodies. What's underneath here? Let's see. Ooh, some storage, heck yeah. But does have power folding seats as well, which is kind of cool. Let me see if I can pan over to it right there. Oh, there we go. Down and up. Okay, let's see if they both work. There we go. All right. Hey, looky there, looky there. Heck yeah. And of course, your power liftgate button is up here on the top right there. And that'll just come on down for you, which is pretty dang snazzy. Now, I'm liking this one, guys. Looking pretty dang good. I want to say we're getting ready to slap new tires on it. Not done in service, though. We do still have some work to complete, but we can still look at it, drive it around, make sure everything's going to work for you. But of course, second row heated seats right there, guys. As you can kind of see, you do have what are they, AV cable setups? I don't know. Nobody uses those anymore, but you guys do have DVD player set up as well up top there. So don't forget about that for the babies in the back seat. Now, climbing on up here to the front, you do have blind spot monitoring system right there in your side view. And of course, as if you didn't notice, power to playing running boards. Both sides work, heck yes. Power passenger seat, full leather with the Denali accent stitching. Beautiful console in here. Guys, we haven't even gotten it cleaned up yet. Dang, she's not looking too bad. What's that down here? A little scuffy scuff. Nothing major though. I'm not seeing any huge dents. I did find that one. A little bit of curb rash on the wheels. Ooh, hang on. Sorry about that. A little scratch there. But really not too bad. Pretty good shape. Check it out up top. Sunroof as well. Heck yeah. Climbing on in. Of course, memory driver's seat, 2-position, and your Bose sound system. I like those Denali chrome door seals right there, of course. Climbing in, trailer brake controller. Let's look at some safety tech over here. Parking sensors, lane keep assist, power adjustable pedals. I think that's power your boards there. But looking at our steering wheel here, guys, of course, cruise control on the left, forward collision plus warning adjustment right there, and that will adjust right up there in your infotainment cluster. You do have heated steering wheel as well on the left hand side. Of course, you got all your in-cluster display adjustment buttons, your in-call and voice recognition software. Now, climbing over here to our radio display, you do have Bluetooth connectivity there. Of course, voice recognition, as you can kind of see. Let's see. No, I don't want to pair a device. Of course, it is touchscreen there. But climbing on down. Ooh, what's this button do? Ooh, that's cool. Heck yeah. And there's a USB back in there. That's awesome. So, come on back down. Now, underneath all that, you do have your AC controls and, of course, your rear climate controls that you can lock as well. Heated, cooled driver and passenger seats here, guys. Let's see. Ooh, factory nav in this one too. Heck yeah. Now, kind of looking here at the center console kind of setup. Of course, don't judge me too much, guys. She's still dirty. 2 USBs, a 12-volt right there, and then also 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad up here on top, and then a giant console in there with 2 more USBs and a 12-volt as well. Guys, we've got this one available up here at Victory Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Kansas City. My name's Colin. I'd love to help you out with any questions or comments, concerns that you might have on this one. Feel free to shoot me a text or call to my cell phone, 660-492-5030, and let's get you guys done, get you out here.